you must know that the poet has also used some figures of speech in the poem. And what are the figures of speech that the poet has used in the poem? Number one, the poet has used figures of speech. Number one, metaphor. Number two, personification. Number three, anaphora. And number four, oxymoron. Number five, visual imagery. And number six, auditory imagery. So these are major figures of speech that the poet has used, and in which oxymoron is a new term that we have learned today. Oxymoron, the rest of the figures of speech we have already known about it, we have already studied about it, we have learned them all: metaphor, personification, anaphora, and imagery, all sorts of imagery, visual, auditory, touch, and all sorts of imagery that we have already completed. So let's discuss them one by one. Metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech in which implied comparison is made between two unlike things. I hear leaves drinking rain. So, as students, you know that a metaphor is a figure of speech in which something is used as a representative, or which has got symbolic significance of something. So in the poem, the phrase you can see rich leaves is a metaphor. So this metaphor refers to rich people in the society. So no comparison is made. It is an implied simile where comparative words such as, like, as are not used, but it is a direct statement. I hear leaves drinking rain. So here rich leaves on top. Here the poet has used metaphor over here.